A diabetic cannot have rice and wheat because the glycemic index of rice and wheat is very high and the blood sugar increases a lot. So what are the alternatives? Well, we are going to organize an exhibition of millets at Advanced Diabetes Center. I am Dr. Jacob Thomas, and along with my team of dietitians, physiotherapists and diabetic educators, on the 11th of March, Saturday 2023, between 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., we are going to organize and display 18 different type of millets. We are also going to tell you the recipes that you can make from this, and also give you a diabetic booklets and have education sessions during this time. Do call us or WhatsApp on this number and register for this event. The registration is free but compulsory, and I hope you all will join us in large numbers to learn about the magic of millets and how many different types of millets can help you in not worsening your blood sugar and keeping it under very good control. Thank you.